In this video, we'll take a quick look at the Action Center Toolkit for Salesforce. KnowWho's Action Center Toolkit is the first completely Salesforce native online advocacy solution. It allows you to plan, build, deploy, and capture the results of your advocacy campaign, including sending messages to Congress or creating petitions, all inside of Salesforce. Being native to Salesforce gives Action Center Toolkit a number of advantages over competing advocacy platforms, including no need for complicated and unreliable integrations, the ability to use all of Salesforce's powerful tools from Visualforce to the App Exchange, and finally, you can create the solution that works best for your organization's needs, not what a vendor tells you you need. Let's start with the action request page your supporters see when they take action. Action Center Toolkit can work as either an iframe that gets loaded inside your existing website, or you can create standalone Visualforce pages to run your Action Center. KnowWho provides a basic template for the action request, and you can customize it or create new ones on your own. Supporters in your Salesforce database can be emailed a link that will pre-fill the address section of the action request. From here, your supporters can edit and review the message they'll send and select the elected officials to receive the message from the choices you've provided. After someone takes action, they see either the standard thank you page with a message you define as part of each action request, or a custom page that you've created for that purpose. From this page, they can also share your action request via social media. If someone who isn't already in your Salesforce org takes action, you can decide how to capture his or her information by creating a new contact or lead. Now, let's take a look at how the Action Center Toolkit works. We built the Action Center Toolkit around our robust web services for Salesforce. KnowWho's web services manage all the behind-the-scenes lookups and sending of information to elected officials so you don't have to. The Action Center Toolkit is run from the Campaigns object in Salesforce. Once installed, you'll find a customized layout containing all the fields you need to create an action request for your supporters. Each new campaign is a unique action request. From this page, you determine which elected officials can receive the message, what to do when a new supporter who isn't in your Salesforce org takes action, configure the action request page, create your call to action, compose the message your supporters will send, and the thank you message they'll see after taking action. Because just getting supporters to take action isn't the last step. The Action Center Toolkit records who sent messages, when they sent them, what the message said, and who received each message. It also links the sent messages inside your Salesforce org to the contacts who sent the messages and the elected officials receiving them. So far, we've talked about sending messages to elected officials, but we haven't mentioned exactly whom those people are. With Action Center Toolkit, you can engage your supporters to influence elected officials at every level. Using the elected officials to display field, you can engage the federal executive, Congress, state executive, state legislatures, county elected officials, and even municipal elected officials for every city with more than 10,000 people. While KnowWho provides the most extensive directories of elected or appointed officials across the nation, there are times when you need to reach beyond the contacts that KnowWho can provide. For that reason, we've included custom targets. Action Center custom targets allow you to reach to people outside of the KnowWho directories, like the officials from cities and counties with less than 10,000 people, or other decision makers like CEOs or boards of directors of publicly traded companies. Setting up a new custom target is as easy as filling out a form using the custom email targets or custom official targets if you need to restrict an action request to a specific legislator, group of legislators, city council, or a subset of a city council. Having everything housed inside of Salesforce gives you access to all the CRM functionality you rely on. From detailed reports to the ability to customize the data you store, no other advocacy tool leverages Salesforce so completely. To learn more about KnowWho's Action Center Toolkit and find out how we can help you, please call us at 703-619-1544 or email info@knowwho.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.